Greetings, humans. I'm Sir Whiskers, your favorite feline historian, ready with tales. Today, you'll get a cat's eye view of England's fascinating story. Long before the internet, England hosted Celts, Romans, and fierce Vikings. In 1066, William the Conqueror arrived, and that changed everything. Centuries of royal drama, Henry VIII, Elizabeth I, and also civil wars. Honestly, cats would have handled it all with more grace, I assure you. Next, the Industrial Revolution arrived with trains, factories, and smoky cities. England built a vast global empire, a time of change and expansion. The 20th century, world wars and the iconic The Beatles. A land of big ideas, iconic fashion, and unforgettable music, indeed. Today, England is vibrant, humorous, and still loves hearty breakfasts. From Shakespeare to football, this island has quite the story to tell. Time for my nap.